All right, so hopefully this works. So I have a whole plan there you'll see on the notepad, but I'm basically just gathering everything. I know it looks like a lot of clutter, a lot's going on, but I have everything out on the island. So this is the asparagus. Ashton requested salmon, asparagus, chilies with lunch, and so I'm basically going to get those defrosted to cook, and I'm getting her containers ready. She wanted, her favorite thing is jasmine rice, salmon, and asparagus. So in a moment you'll see the asparagus. They're really good actually. They get microwaved, super easy. But there's 3 packs of those because she's going to get 2 cups of veggies a day. And there's my trash bowl. I always have a trash bowl. And this is just cutting it up so that it's easier to eat. And I didn't fully measure. I just know because I've been doing it for so long about how much 2 cups is. So this is part of her lunch was eggs. I did not feel like boiling eggs, so I'm drying them, and those are going into her lunch. And then everything bagel or whatever that is going to go with that. And there's peanut butter cups and pretzels, the pretzel crisp things. That's going in her lunch. She wanted a very simple lunch. So that's me, baby, and the over there on the stove. That is the salmon. And then you'll see I'm microwaving the rice, the jasmine rice, and it's about 1/3 of a cup in each one, in each container that she's got going on there. So here I'm taking those chilies that she wanted, and cream cheese is going in them. And at the very end, I'm gonna take that everything bagel seasoning, and that's gonna go on those as well. That actually is really good. That was her doing. Babybel cheese is also going in there. So it's just like a little adultish lunchable thing type of thing. So here you see that I'm doing all of the peppers because that's what left over, and that's just going to go in a bag until later, until I get them in the snackle box. But all at one time, less touches. And here I'm actually getting dinner ready. So this you could prep ahead of time. So this is going to be like a pork chop and rice type of thing. And so you basically just mix the cream of mushroom. I'm trying to figure out how much I'm going to use of this stuff. And I'm like, oh, well, it's all of it. Cool. It's like 2 cups of rice, onion powder. I went ahead and put some seasoning blend in there because why not? And basically this just goes down in the bottom of the tray, which is off the screen, but I'm going to pat dry this, the pork chops. It's just boneless, skinless pork chop. Well, of course they're going to be skinless, but, and then the Lipton onion soup is going on top, and then I'm just kind of spreading it out. Now, I covered this with foil, and this is going to go into the oven at 350 for a while. This is just me wrapping up. She wanted some English muffins again. So that's my athlete's meal prep. Easy peasy.